Hey, Dobby the Fixing Elf here, and welcome back to the channel. And now it's time to find out what's in the toolbox. And in the toolbox today are these WORKPRO wire strippers. They're quite a handy little set of strippers. They've got obviously the strippers at the top, as well as a cutting part, and then some crimping parts as well. I'll give you a closer look at all those in just a second. You know we have the macro lens on. I just want to show you the wire stripping part. So here we go. As you can see, it's got an adjustable to give you between 1/4 of an inch and 1/2 an inch of a bit stiff of cutting length. Obviously you can also fold this out the way if you want to cut further. But yeah, apart from that, it's a nice little thing to give you a nice good strip. Here's a bit of wire, and just pop it in and boom, strips it perfectly. As you can see here, quite a good little strip. Let me twist that, I don't know why I'm twisting it, but hey. So let's give you a good close look at this now. So as you can see, this is where the stripper happens, and then this is the cutting blade just here, and these are all the crimps just down here. I haven't got any crimps on me to show you crimping. I mean, no, usually use a dedicated crimper, but it's always useful to have an extra set of crimps around. You never know when. I'll just show you the wire cutter quickly. So that goes through there like that, and let me get it lined up so it's in the actual camera, and boom, it pops off. Nice good cut, and then nice easy strip. So what else can I tell you about these wire strippers? Again, they're really useful. The adjustable part comes in really handy. It is a bit stiff, even now after quite a lot of use it's still very stiff and very firm, but I suppose that's what you want. Again, all you have to do is just quickly twist it, push it to the length you want, and then push it back and it locks it in. Actually a bit less stiff than I thought, but that's typical when you're on camera and things decide to work and behave. You also have an adjustable part just here on the tension. You adjust this and this increases or decreases the tension on the stripping. So if you're using finer gauge wire, you can have less tension, less likely to damage the wires. Previous video, part of the video I said I didn't have any crimps, but I have actually gone and got some just for the sake of completeness. So all you have to do is line it up with this little part here, you can see, so if I can get that better in the shot. Quite difficult to do and line up in camera, but as you can see, get it in there nicely and just give it a good squeeze. That crimps down really nicely and really tightly. As you can see, you've got a nice firm bond, it's not going anywhere. Obviously this wire is a bit thin for the type of terminal I have, but I didn't have any red ones on hand. But yeah, that's a nice, really just to see how it crimps. I will go further in depth on crimping in a later video. I plan to do some more car electrical work, and I'll show you that all together along with some soldering and other things. But yeah. So my final thoughts on these wire strippers. They're a great little addition to my toolbox. I have a specialist like electrical toolbox that I do stuff with, so whenever I need to do any wire repairs or wiring looms, I usually take these and the whole toolbox really. Like I said, I've got a set of dedicated crimpers. There's hand crimp too, which is always handy. Sometimes you don't want to grab another tool, sometimes it's easy to have this tool. And yeah, overall great little pair of strippers. They've served me well so far, and I really enjoy them. If you want to get yourself a set, there'll be a link in the comments and also in the description. Thank you for watching until the end. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not drop a like on this video? If you have any questions about this video, or any of my other videos, why not ask in the comments and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. If you want to see more from me, why not subscribe to the channel? And with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a sensational day.